All right, when I run my program, it starts off by giving a little bit of information. This program will solve the ideal gas law. It states the law, PV equals nRT, for one unknown value. When prompted, enter the quantities requested and enter a question mark for the quantity you wish to find. So I'm just going to enter here the pressure. Let's say the pressure is 1.2 atmospheres. The volume is 24 liters. The number of moles is what I'm trying to find, so I'm going to put a question mark there. And the temperature is 300 Kelvin. So what it does is it tells me we're solving for the moles. It figured that out because that's what the question mark was. And it summarizes the pressure, the volume, the number of moles right here, and the temperature. And then it asks if I'd like to solve another. If I hit Y for yes, it's doing it again. So here we go down here at the bottom. The pressure this time is what I'm going to solve for. I'll put a question mark there. The volume is 34 liters. The number of moles is 1.4. And the temperature is 250 Kelvin. And it solves it. There's the results. And it'll keep solving problems until I hit N for no, and then it will exit. So that's one version of an ideal gas law calculator that you can implement.